A person sold his watch for rupees 75 and got a profit percentage equal to the cost price. Find the cost price of the watch. Now the person sold his watch for rupees 75, that means selling price is equal to 75. And the person got a profit. Now, when you have a profit, selling price is basically cost price plus profit. Now, it is given here that the person got a profit percentage equal to the cost price. Now, let's assume the cost price of the watch to be X. So we can have the equation as 75 is equal to X plus. Now the profit percentage is equal to the cost price. So therefore, profit we can say is X percentage of X. So if we try to multiply throughout by 100, you will get a quadratic equation as x square plus 100x minus 7500 is equal to 0. We can factorize it as x plus 150 into x minus 50 is equal to 0. So therefore x equal to minus 150 or 50. Now the cost price cannot be negative. So therefore the cost price comes out to be rupees 50.